This is the setup and preparation for Brickbuster. You can print either in color or black and white. You are going to need to have it printed double-sided if you're doing all of the sequences, because the pattern of the bricks are going to act as camouflage for part of the secret. As always, you'll cut around the black lines. The two brick walls are identical, and then there's a secret third section which we'll use for the optional presentation. There's the bricks. Here's our extra secret brick. And you'll notice that around Brickbuster, it's there's a little circular, it's rounded at the corners. So we'll go ahead and round it with the scissors also. So at this point, we have all the pieces that we need. I'm going to show you how, and honestly, if you're just doing part of the routine, you can stop right now. You don't even need to add in the extra piece of brick. But since I'm going to be showing how that works, I'll show you how to add that extra piece of brick in. Basically, we're going to cut off about, two or between 2 and 3 of the bricks off of one side of one of the bricks. And then we're going to glue this extra piece on, and I like to have these, both of the brick walls end up being the same size. So basically there's going to be a little overlap, which is good, and this is where the design of the bricks is going to act as a camouflage to kind of hide what we're doing. But we want to leave enough space so that Buster, now you're seeing how the trick is going to work. We want to leave enough space for Buster to sneak through, so when we put the glue stick on, we're just going to glue the very edge on this side and the very edge on that side. We're going to leave all the middle open. So line up the bricks, take note of how far you want to glue. And just to make sure I'm not going to get any on the table, I'm going to put a little scrap of paper underneath this. So I know that on mine I'm coming down 3 bricks on both sides. And the brick pattern covers it perfectly. Just kind of press and hold it, and then before it dries, I'm going to make a quick check to make sure that Buster's going to fit through, and he is. I'm also going to take a close look at the edges of the paper, and if there's any extra part of the brick wall sticking out, I'm going to trim it just to make sure that it looks absolutely the same. And if you didn't realize that there was a secret flap there, you would never know. Even from a close distance, you can't tell. Only if you know what you're looking for, are you gonna see it. Now we're ready for the explanation.